tutorial on Boise Games. In this tutorial, I'm going to learn how to make a browser. So first of all, you're going to click on File, New, Solution. It's going to be a C#. So click on Windows application. You're going to name it Browser Tutorial. Create. And to create itself, you click on Design. I'm just gonna scale this up a bit so we can add our things to it. And let's scale this down. Then drag this one down just to get a clear view of what we're making. So what you're gonna do, click on Windows Form, come down to button, come here at the button, name the button Go. What you can do is just drag it here. Drag it here. Control D, get it up. Click on Control. Hold on, drag it and hold on Control, and leave it here. So what you can do now is you're going to come to text box. Add the text box here. So this should be. We're going to change the name from Go to Home. Oh no. Sorry. Enter. Now what you can do now, for create a new button. Name this. And make it same size. You can name this back. Okay, put this here. Shake down Control and add another one. Just adjust it to make it size good. Add forward. What else? Put the heck of forward home. Okay, and a new button. Click on Control. Add one here. Name it Forward. So what you can basically do is gonna add a browser. So scroll down here, look for browser, and you find browser. Just click to add and click to dock in print. Undock. What you can do, X to delete. Click on the delete button. So what you can do now is come over here, come to panel, create new panel. Align the panel here. So add a browser, web browser. Click here. Automatically dock into the panel. So what you can do is basically double click on the Go. Then you do web browser dot navigate. Make sure you follow my code. See. Okay, so you're gonna do text box 1 dot text. So go back to the design. Click on Home. Double click to open it in the editor. So click on web browser 1.navigate. So you can write this down. Make sure you follow my code. After this, you click on forward. dot go back. Okay, I'm gonna rename this to refresh. Double click to open the code. Come here, click on the web browser. Refresh. So that's all. Trust me, it works. I have an internet connection now, so it might not work, but I'll try opening a page. Okay, so let's see. File equals to www. C equals basically open my files on the computer. So if I click on refresh, it's gonna refresh it. So I should change the link to somewhere like music, and I click on back, it goes back. I click on forward, it goes to forward. This is the music. Go back, it goes to the desktop. So if I go to home, I'm gonna show me that I have no internet connection, and it's gonna keep loading forever because I have an internet connection right now. Okay, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Goodbye.